Hello, reader. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we are going to read together. Today, we will learn sight words. Let's read. This word is I. Touch your chest and say I. I. This word is see. Your turn now. See. This word is ah. Your turn now. This word is the. Your turn now. The. This word is go. Your turn now. Go. Let's use these sight words in sentences.
I see a. I see a hat. I see a bus. I see a dog. I see the. I see the fat cat. I see the red bag. I see the big dog. I go. I go to a shop. Go to the park. Go to the bed. Let's read more sentences. I see the sun. I see a car. See the car go. I see a dog at the park. I see the sun. I see a car. See the car go. I see a dog at the park. It's your turn to read now.
Are you ready for the quiz? Find the word see.
Correct. Good job.
Find the word go.
Correct. Good job.
Find the word the.
Correct. Good job.
Find the word I.
Correct. Good job.
Of line to V. Find the word ah.
Correct. Good job.
You did a good job!
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye!